Good morning, good morning, good morning. A very short video today. And here I am walking back round the little football pitch in my gym. I've done one of these videos for quite a while now, but you can see I'm in my rooftop. Done my fasted cardio this morning. So the one thing that personal trainers don't really want to tell you, and something that is really gonna accelerate your weight loss, something that is really gonna get you to where you want to be, at least in the first instance, is this thing. So if you've got 14 pounds or more to lose, so a stone or more, and you have a purely weight loss goal, if you click your fingers and you could lose 14 pound, a stone, just over, you'd be a really happy person. And you've struggled for ages, you've tried different things, you've tried fasting and cardio and keto and Herbalife and God knows what other types of crazy shit, but you just can't shift your weight. Here's the one thing you can do that's going to help you to get your weight down quickly, and it won't really cost you a penny. Every morning for the next 2 weeks, wake up, have a double espresso and a pint of water, go to the gym, go find a hill, go on the rowing machine, go on the cross trainer, wherever it may be, and do 45 minutes of fasted cardio. And what you want to do is judge it on your breathing, simplest way of doing it if you haven't got a heart rate monitor. But essentially, warm up for 5 to 10 minutes, and then you want to increase intensity, so you're getting out of breath, drop it back down again, recover, go again. And if you could do that for 45 minutes, fasted, and not have anything to eat until lunch, weigh yourself in each morning for the next 2 weeks, and let's see what effect that has. Now you might not, well, you won't lose 14 pounds in 2 weeks, but what it's going to do, it's going to help you to believe that you can lose weight. It's going to help to build a new habit, and it's going to help you to see a change in your weight, which you haven't been able to do up until this point. So just for the next 2 weeks, do that and see what happens. And then the next 2 weeks, keep doing what you're doing and see what happens. Hope that helps.